There's finally Astro. I just need to pick up one Astro.
God!
I just need an Astro. That's all.
It's Goob!
It's Goob?
Goob!
Need to get seen by Astro now.
Me?
Now. Yes.
Wait, can I just get
Astro. Come here, yes! I got Astro!
You win!
I
You
did it!
win!
I did it! Okay. Oh no, I'm turning to Astro. Oh no.
Alright, show us your tunes. Show us your tunes. You
Yeah,
only
yeah,
have
tunes.
have
Boom.
boxing.
Only boxing. Only boxing.
Alright, only boxing.
It's the
Alright,
only boxing here.
Alright.
Let me show my trinkets. Oh my twisted. I did. Okay. Let me claim the trinket. Nightcap. I don't know, nightcap.
Oh my
What does
god, this
nightcap
is
do?
actually gonna be so cool.
Increases
Oh my
stamina
God.
regeneration by 40%. That's okay.
Alright, open javelin. Open
Oh
javelin.
my gosh. Oh my gosh. This feels so weird. Oh my god. There he is.
Put him on.
Oh!
Yo!
Yo!
This is so
Your
weird.
first tune you bought, your first tune you bought, and your first main. Look at stats. Look at stats and show the recording your stats, because it will show Tune Zone 2.
Toon Zone 2. There's a mouse going over it, it's not fake. Oh my god.
My turn.
Oh, I'm gonna buy a
I
skin.
have 80
I'm buying a
I have
skin.
80% on Astro right now. So just 2 more games with me finding Astro, and we win.
Sure. I have a little star now.
You have a little star now. Wow.
On kauniina muistona Karjala maa, mutta vieläkin sieltä se soimattaa. Kun soittaja sormissa kuulossa.
Jack Järven polkkaa.
Se polkkava sen meitä mieleen tuo ja se outoa kaivaa rintalle. Ei soittaja haitri soita sua.
Jack